Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a vegetarian recipe with you and prepared from leftover rice. Yes, we all face this problem sometimes and we don't know what to do with that leftover rice. I prepare 4 days of bhat and one or two recipes I've shared with you with my leftover rice. So today I'll be preparing leftover rice Appe. Yummy recipe, a very easy to prepare one, and you're going to love it. So let's get to the recipe now. Here is some leftover rice and we'll see how to make use of this. I've taken little water and put it through a mixer jar, and this is what I get. For 2 cups of cooked rice, leftover rice, I have half a cup of curds, half a cup semolina, that is rava, 1 teaspoon crushed and roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 green chilies, a dash of carrot for the color, and 1 spring onion. I've chopped the spring onion. Now just start mixing all the ingredients. Now here are the 2 cups of leftover rice. I put it to a mixer, adding little water. Now I'm adding half a cup of semolina, half a cup of curds, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seeds powder. Mix all this. Fine. Carrots, green chili, and 1 spring onion. There, so we have got some color in our mix. Lovely. Fine. Now we'll let this rest for at least 30 minutes before we start frying them. You can see an appam pan I've kept on the fire. The appam pan is nice and hot. I've placed a little ghee in each of these molds. Now we'll start with the batter. I'll cover the appam pan for some time now. Let's see if our appams have got the brown color. Yeah, lovely. Just turn them lightly. There. Now we will not cover the pan, we will let it cook from the other side. A nice golden color. Fine. I've kept a paper napkin ready here. The minute the other side turns nice and brown, golden brown, we will take it out from the pan. Our appams are now ready. So we'll take them out and keep them on a paper napkin. Lovely. So colorful and yummy they look. There. We'll put off the flame. See. Beautiful. Fine. Let's do the plating now. A little bit of spring onion. That's it. A yummy dish prepared from leftover rice. Well friends, wasn't that a very simple recipe to prepare? And you can prepare this for your breakfast too. It just needs your cooked rice, a mixer, little semolina, curds, and if you have any leftover vegetables, like I had one spring onion, I had one carrot, I used all that. It enhances the taste of the dish and it looks good too, very colorful. You can add French beans or capsicums, oh, your choice. Do try this yummy, easy and tasty appams from your leftover rice and you're just going to love it. So friends, if you like today's recipe, do not forget to press the button like, share this recipe with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.